When preparing a rough metal surface for painting, achieving a smooth, even finish is essential. Paint adheres best to surfaces that are free from rust, scale, burrs, and other imperfections. One of the most effective tools for this task is the carbide burr. These small rotary cutting tools, typically used with high-speed rotary tools or die grinders, are crafted from tungsten carbide, a material renowned for its extraordinary hardness and durability. Carbide burrs are the tool of choice for professionals and hobbyists alike when it comes to shaping, deburring, and, most importantly, grinding down rough metal surfaces in preparation for painting. The unique design of carbide burrs is what sets them apart. Each burr features a series of sharp, spiral-cut flutes or teeth, which rapidly remove material as they spin at high speeds. Unlike abrasive solutions, such as sanding discs or grinding wheels, carbide burrs cut into the metal rather than wearing it away through friction. This cutting action provides unparalleled control and precision, allowing you to target specific areas of roughness or imperfection without damaging the surrounding metal. Whether you're dealing with weld seams, casting marks, or jagged edges, carbide burrs can quickly level these irregularities, leaving you with a consistent surface. Speed and efficiency are also hallmarks of carbide burr tools. Because of their hard, sharp cutting edges, they make short work of even the toughest metals, including hardened steel, cast iron, and stainless steel. This means you can process larger areas or more stubborn imperfections in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional abrasive methods. The result is not only a smoother surface, but also a quicker turnaround in your project timeline. Another advantage lies in the versatility of carbide burrs. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, cylindrical, spherical, oval, tree-shaped, and more, to suit different contours and profiles on your metalwork. For flat surfaces, a cylindrical burr is ideal, while a ball-shaped or flame-shaped burr can reach into corners, tight spots, or curved areas. This adaptability ensures that you can achieve a uniformly smooth finish across the entire surface, regardless of the complexity of the object. The surface finish left by a carbide burr is particularly suited for the next stages of painting. After grinding, the metal will have a fine, textured finish that is free of burrs, sharp edges, and major irregularities. This texture is crucial because it provides excellent mechanical adhesion for primers and paints, helping to prevent issues like peeling, flaking, or bubbling down the line. A well-prepared, burr-free surface means that both the primer and paint can bond closely to the metal, resulting in a more durable and attractive finish. Using carbide burrs also helps minimize the risk of introducing new flaws, such as deep scratches or gouges, that can sometimes occur with coarser grinding methods. Their sharp, precise action ensures a controlled removal of material, preserving the integrity of the underlying metal. With proper technique, you can achieve a surface that is not just visually smooth, but structurally sound, ready to accept paint without further sanding or filling. In essence, carbide burr tools provide the perfect combination of speed, precision, and surface quality for grinding down rough metal before painting. They enable you to remove imperfections efficiently, reach awkward areas, and create the ideal texture for paint adhesion, all while maintaining the integrity of your workpiece. For anyone serious about achieving a professional, long-lasting painted finish on metal, carbide burrs are an indispensable part of the preparation process.